Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable USB boot options and how to boot your Lenovo ThinkPad with Windows 11. So first of all, before connecting the USB, I'm going to go and click F1 so that we go to the BIOS system. So in the process, I'm going to connect my USB drive, as you can see. So when you reach here, you're going to go to configurations. You have to check if your USB drives are enabled. For some of you, it would be disabled. So make sure these settings are enabled. The next thing, you click escape. Then you click escape again to go back. Then you go to startup. So when you see the startup, you have to make sure that F12 boot list is enabled. So how do you enable it? You enable it from there. Then you click continue. Then you're good to go with the boot options for it. Then you're going to click F10 to save changes. Then in the process, you're going to click F12 so that we go to our boot list, as you're going to see here. So when you go to the boot list, this is what we get. You're going to get the boot list, the boot menu on F12, and you can click the down arrow keys to get the USB drive. In my case, we have the Samsung, and I'm going to click enter, and then this will start loading Windows. As you can see, they're asking you to click any key to load the Windows. So when you reach here, you click any key to start loading the Windows 11 files that I'm trying to install on this HP ThinkPad L512, and this is going to take us to this point whereby you can just install without any fear. And for those having issues with other operating systems, you can always go ahead and use Windows 8.1 or other operating systems because we need to have very many upgrades. And so if this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye. This was John Galiwango, and have a happy new year. So this is what you get. Goodbye.